What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. If you're looking for the cheapest Qi charger, wireless fast charger, 10 watt fast charger for $10 from Amazon, yes, this is the fast wireless charger. I'm gonna test with my Sony Xperia XZ, which is one of the most hardest phone to charge due to so thick back. I'm gonna test within the cover. Okay, stay with me, stay tuned with me. So as you can see, it's a Qualcomm 3 fast charge overheat protection from the back, nothing. Okay, let me take out the box again. The link will be in the description box below. A simple wireless charger. Okay, here we go. We get a USB. Okay, let's hope it's not going to be that the Apple Lightning connector, because last time I bought a transparent charger, it turned out to be a Lightning connector. To be honest with you, I was so angry with it. Okay, let me put this crap aside. Okay. I mean, it's quite grippy, to be honest with you. It's really very nice and grippy. I just wanna say that. Okay, let me grab the cable, micro USB. I think so. It's connect. Here we go. Okay. Even the color match. Okay, can you see the light is on? Okay, let me put it again. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Okay, it's charging. Now it's charging. What is my take on it? I mean, the build quality seems absolutely amazing, to be honest with you. I mean, the build quality is next level. I really like for $10. What else you want? I mean, literally, you only are paying $10. I mean, and then yes, you can see it's charging. As there's a light you can see here, and you can see it's charging. I mean, for $10, I mean, you just can't go wrong with it. I mean, literally, you just can't go wrong with them, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, okay, let me take again. Let me try like this. Okay, even it's like this, it's charging. So yeah, it's working. That's all I can say, to be honest with you. At the end of the day, can I recommend this charger? Can I recommend this charger? I mean, definitely yes, I can. I mean, to be honest with you, for what it is, I definitely can recommend this thing, to be honest with you. I mean, literally yes. I'm so happy. I mean, this thing, I bought it. I mean, as you can see, you just can't go wrong with it. I mean, the texture is very grippy, as you can see. I can rub my hand like this. It's a very grippy texture. You just can't go wrong with it. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box below. It's my order.